Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Tesla API access with OAuth for EV data, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Tesla API access with OAuth for EV data, first, ensure you have a Tesla account. Visit the Tesla developer portal to register your application. After logging in, create a new application by filling in the necessary details. Make sure to specify the appropriate callback URL for your app. Once registered, note down your client ID and client secret. Next, navigate to the OAuth 2.0 authorization URL. This URL is used to request authorization from the user. Include the client ID, redirect URI, and the required scopes in your authorization request. Prompt the user to log in to their Tesla account if they are not already authenticated. Once authenticated, the user will be redirected to the specified callback URL. A temporary authorization code will be included in the redirect. Capture this authorization code from the URL parameters. Next, you'll need to exchange this authorization code for an access token. Make a POST request to the token endpoint provided by Tesla. Include the authorization code, client ID, client secret, and the redirect URI in this request. If successful, this request will return an access token and a refresh token. Store the access token securely as it will be used to access the Tesla API. If the access token expires, use the refresh token to obtain a new access token. Now, you're ready to make API calls to retrieve EV data using the access token. Include the token in the authorization header of your API requests. Make sure to handle any potential errors gracefully during your API calls. With OAuth authorization in place, you can keep your Tesla EV data secure and accessible. Enjoy accessing your Tesla's data through the API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.